Hello everyone. The course template was created by Santiago Padilla, Saray Gavallo, Luz Caterine Berrio, and Andrea Carolina Sanchez Romero. The institutions to which our course template is created is a school in the rural area. The name of this school is Institución Educativa Rural Santa Catalina, and the selected grade was the 3rd grade of primary school. The class will last 60 minutes. Since in the institutions they only see English 2 hours a week. This will be one of the reasons why the students are at the English level of A1. Also, there are 35 students in the same classroom with age between 8 and 9 years old. The first topic be addressed in this course template is the human body. The module or unit is describing my body. It is important to mention that the language focus is divided into 3 functional parts for the realization of the course template and the proper development of the class. The first is language function, the second is language skill, and the last one is the vocabulary. In the language function, we find names the part of the body, say we what can do with the specific part of your body, express the difference between my body and my classmate body. In the language skills, we can use speaking, listening, and writing. And in the part of the vocabulary, we can need to use and learn the part of the body, adjective, and action verbs. And in the principles approach, we need to say that is total physical response.
Now talking about learning objective, in the aim, we have that by the end of the course, students will be able to describe parts of the body, the appearance, qualities, and abilities. And talking about tutorial aims, we have throughout 3 of them. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to first identify the name of the part of the body. The second, explain what you use each part of the body. And the third one, express adjectives that describe the body. And we're going to use some materials like computer, video bin, images, copy, sounds, cardboard, makers, and dictionary.
The states to this unit are: the first one is warm up. The procedure will be like this. First, the teacher will show a video about the principal parts of the body. A student has to stand up in order to point to the part of the body that the song says. And this will last 5 minutes. Activity 1. First, the teacher will use a PowerPoint presentation with the part of the body and their names in order to explain to the students the spelling of the word and give them an example of what can you do each part of the body. Then, teacher will give to the students some copies with the part of the body to paint, and a student will write down the names of the part of the body, such as face, legs, hands, and the others. And this will last 15 minutes. Activity 2. First, teacher will show a video about adjectives that describe things and people. Then, teacher will give copies with some specific adjectives that describe the appearance of people. After that, in group of 4, students will write down sentences that describe his or her classmates. And this will last 20 minutes. And the last one is learning product. Finally, a student will make a mini poster where they are going to paint one of his or her classmates and write down 5 sentences using simple present to describe the classmate to present it in the class. And this will last 20 minutes.
Now, in this section, we have written the topics in this unit are going to be covered, the skills in which teachers have thought to work with the whole class, the linguistic and vocabulary that are related to the topic in question. We work with third grade. The topics there are all linked with the body, with human being. It's necessary to express what students can do and what their classmates can do. For that reason, we have chose the second topic there, where students are to use vocabulary related to skills, talents, and abilities. Human being is really important, and with this unit we can raise awareness of a student's body, and they will recognize themselves, they will describe their appearance, and also students can say what they like of themselves, what they don't like, and also students will know what adjectives they can use for describing people. And we work with third grade.